Hey, hi everyone. Nice to see you again. Today I'm on site at Treasure at Tampines. I have a 3-bedder unit for rent right at this block. And behind me is a very lovely children playground. And it also comes with a water playground. And this is the water playground which I told you about. And right behind me is a very nice pool for the kids to swim. But before we go up to see the unit, let me show you around to the amazing facility this condo has to offer. I am now at the grand clubhouse area. Check out the pool, and upstairs will be gym, reading room and function room right at level 1. Come, let's check it out. Hey, hi everyone, my name is Jason. Today I have a 3-bedder unit at Treasure at Tampines for rent. This unit is 1033 square feet in size. It comes with a utility and a yard space at the back. This section of house is actually a dining hall. You can fit in a 8-seater table very easily, and it comes with rows of storage bins for your storage needs. Let's talk about the living hall. This is actually very spacious. You look at the wall-to-wall distance in today's context, it's very generous. You can actually put a large size LCD TV on this built-in TV console, which is of minimalistic design theme. You can put in a 3-seater sofa right at this corner as well. Come, let's check out the balcony. In Treasure at Tampines, most of the balcony overlook the neighbour, and you can feel a bit awkward while you sit at the balcony. But for our unit, we actually overlook the largest greenery so that you can actually enjoy the view whole day long. And the best part of it is that this balcony is just nice for a lovely dining table with 4 chairs for your enjoyment while looking at the largest greenery. Come, let's check out the enclosed kitchen area. But before I enter, I just want to highlight that there's plenty of storage space right at the walkway for your storage needs. This enclosed kitchen is fully equipped. It comes with a built-in oven right over here, a gas hob, and plenty of workspace for you to prepare your ingredients. More than 3 people can actually cook and prepare ingredients at the same time. And the best part is that it comes with natural ventilation, whereby the food smell will go out right over here. And at the yard area, we have a helper's toilet, whereby you can use it as a washer room as well. And right behind this bifold door will be the helper's room. Okay, let's check out the bedroom cluster. This section of the bedroom cluster will be the common bathroom. It's of modern design theme, and it comes with natural ventilation at the bath area. And on my left is actually the common bedroom. This common bedroom is fairly large. You can house a queen-size bed very easily, and it overlooks the largest greenery similar to the balcony. It comes with a built-in wardrobe. And let's check out the other room. This room can also put in a queen-size bed. It comes with a built-in wardrobe, and all the bedrooms actually come with ceiling fan. And at the end of it will be the master bedroom. This master room is especially spacious. You can house a king-size bed anytime over here, and it overlooks the largest greenery. This means complete privacy while you sleep at night. And at this corner here, you have a little dresser space here, and comes with a modern large wardrobe for your storage need. And at this section, it's actually the attached bathroom. The master attached bath is also minimalistic modern design theme, and it comes with natural ventilation so that there will not be any moisture build-up after a hot bath. Okay, I've come to the end of today's home tour. If you're keen to find out more about this lovely 3-bedder unit for rent, do not hesitate to call me. I hope to see you soon. Cheers!